For Kappa Kappa Gamma, we were actually the first sorority at the University of Wisconsin. So we were the first house to be built on Langdon Street for sororities. This house has really good bones. I think that's one of the things that makes it such a beautiful house. In fact, this house gets awarded the prettiest sorority house in America several times from several different publications. So anytime you are going to restore something, you want to do it as high quality as you can and to make it look as close to the original as you can as well. So when we were making the decision to install new windows and to look at contractors for new windows, we knew we had a huge project on our hands.
Kappa Kappa Gamma's house was built in 1901 and it still had the original windows and much of the architectural details from 1901. They were the old single glazed glass, so no modern glass technology, and extremely drafty, hard to operate, and just not extremely functional. And in 2017, Findorff Construction contacted me in regards to a whole building window replacement for the Kappa Kappa Gamma sorority.
So when Findorff recommended Window Design Center and we did a little bit of looking into the company, we were able to find out that they had done projects way bigger than this. And they were successful projects with great outcomes, and we felt like if we went with this company that we were very comfortable that they were going to be able to handle a project this size.
So the Marvin Signature Clad Ultimate Series was the window line that we used for this historic replacement. The windows are approved by the National Park System as a historic replacement product. We have used those windows in our state capitol. We have used them in the governor's mansion and quite a number of other historic properties.
Kappa Kappa Gamma building is really unique for its historical qualities. It's a beautiful stone masonry building, and we chose to use the laser scanning on this project because the sizing is so sensitive. You really don't have any room for error. If you're an inch big or a half inch big, that window might not actually fit in the opening. So to make sure that everything runs really smoothly, we broke out our laser scanner. Imagine a sphere and the laser scanner is sitting in the center of that sphere looking out. It basically takes a unit of measurement every 3 millimeters for that entire sphere. So you end up with millions and millions and millions of points that you can actually measure from.
The comments from the carpenters on the job at that time were, these windows fit like a glove, they fit perfectly, this is exactly how it should work. All in all, it was an excellent result on a long-term, very detail-oriented and technologically savvy project.
Prior to getting new windows, in fact, we couldn't even have window cleaning done in the house because our windows were so fragile. And now, we can open, close, we can have them cleaned. We had a great experience with Window Design Center, and I would recommend them to anybody. And they really did exceed our expectations. The project was easy. We didn't have to do any extra work on our end. They took care of everything. And we have great windows as a result.